In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and access one of your chats. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files between Stickers and Location. Following that, you can click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Recent. Select one of your apps or simply tap on one of those filters. I will go with Videos and Audio. Now hold your file that you wish to send and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, my file is over here. In order to send it, just click on Send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!